small example. There is a cow is there. Cow is there. At my childhood, what happened is the buffalo tied with a rope. Sometimes what the buffalo is going to do is it is going to break that rope and it will go randomly. Wow, it's a horrible man. To bring that buffalo back to home, wow, it's very horrible. Wow, it's a rainy day, almost full of mud. Wow, it's a very worst kind of experience. I did multiple times at my childhood. What my mother told is, if I go there, even I catch the rope, I took the rope also. Please come like the buffalo won't come or the cow won't come with me. My mother told one secret. What the secret is? Array, if you are telling to the cow, come like it won't come. It won't come. What you require to do is cow required or buffalo required grass. Okay, before going to catch that cow, better to carry so grass. Then you are not required to catch that rope also. Just keep the grass near its mouth and keep on moving. Automatically, buffalo or otherwise cow is keep on moving wherever you want to go. Have you visualized this type of thing?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Yes, man. You have this experience. At least you saw at your childhood or somewhere.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
activity. My mother told. Array, we saw multiple times, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Multiple times. Do you know? So here the thing is, here the thing is very important. Why don't you use that small concept in our day-to-day life? Next, do you know? There is another same. It's really happening in front of my eyes, man. At my childhood, now I'm remembering, recollecting. Sometimes what happens is the people are going to sell the people are going to sell the cow and its kid, maybe some name I don't know. Okay, it's a small baby cow. Okay, we sell because we require the money and we sold. Then what happened is the person who bought, he has to take a calf. Yeah, correct. He has to take. But that cow won't go out from my house because it's born and birth at my house only, right? So even sometimes my mother, myself, cried like anything whenever someone is taking my cow because we required money, no alternative at all. We sold. What happened is whenever they are taking, it won't go. But what they are going to do is really, bah, what a better situation. Really, what they are going to do is that calf is there. Calf means a baby cow. Baby cow is there, right? It is a small baby, right? It can't do anything, right? What they will do is they will take that cow on the rickshaw, normal rickshaw kind of thing, a small rickshaw kind of thing. They will keep that on the rickshaw. Just they will tighten with the ropes. So the baby cow is there on the rickshaw. The mother cow is going to see that. Then the rickshaw is going on. The mother cow follows. Anyone having this type of experience? Visualize, at least are you visualizing? Are you visualizing the scenario? The people who are coming from,
Yes, sir.
okay, I mean cultivation, farming kind of, village kind of thing, all these experiences by default will be there. Okay, not only selling, assume that. So this mother cow required some injection, vaccine kind of thing. Okay, compulsory we require to go to the veterinary hospital. But this one, if we are keep on, sorry, it can't move single inch also. Then what is the technique we require to apply? Yes, that baby cow is there, calf, baby cow is there. The baby cow we are keeping, okay, on the small rickshaw, and it is move on, then obviously mother cow follows. Array, for animals we are applying this small technique, but why you are not applying in day-to-day life? That's about my question.